Breaking news. So guys, it looks like we have the first Alephium ASIC on the horizon, and this is coming from Goldshell, a nice home miner, 360 gigahash at only 180 watts. So introducing the AL box, ultra efficient home miner for peak profitability. Guess the AL box price. I have no idea. $2,500. It's going to be insane. This thing's going to be expensive, more than the Caspa ASIC, because this thing is going to destroy the GPUs. It's going to eliminate the FPGAs. This is the first step, just like what we saw with Caspa, the first ASIC for the network, which means profitability is going to be huge, but the network hash rate is also going to explode very, very fast. So there's a bunch of details here about a Gleam info and stuff. I will link this down in the description, but let's take a look at the current profitability, because I'm sure you guys are asking this. $2.27 is the current price. There's 387 terahash online for Alephium. This thing does 360 gigahash. That is a profit of $108 a day. It's only using 180 watts, guys. That profit at 11 cents per kilowatt hour is $107. You know what? Let's take a look at this. You could have, let's just put the power cost to 80 cents per kilowatt hour. That is still profits of $104 at 80 cents. That is absolutely insane. This is going to be the next most profitable miner, at least until that hash rate starts to explode. Now, the other key thing here, unlike Caspa, where the block reward does drop every single month, this will stay consistent based on the network hash rate, so it's not getting hit with a double whammy. So Alephium seems like it's going to be the next FOMO ASIC for everybody. It's probably time to start reducing them Caspa ASICs and moving to the Alephium side, at least until things, you know, start to get too high in difficulty. But things are going crazy, guys. First generation ASIC is coming very soon for Alephium. Wow, that's all I have to say. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below, what you guys think about this. Were you expecting this? Is it too soon, too late? What are your guys' thoughts on this right before the bull run? And what do you think the price is going to be? Say goodbye to your GPU. Say goodbye to the FPGAs. This thing destroys all of those in terms of efficiencies. Now, I wonder what Bitmain has in store. Maybe Ice River has something in store. I have no idea, but Goldshell seems to be the first ASIC to hit the market. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.
Oh, nice. Hey, guys, come here. Check this out. I'm getting some miners from Miner Bros. I bet you didn't know this. With Miner Bros, what you see is what you get. The cost of the item is shipping cost to your door, including import fees. That means no hidden fees later on, unlike the other guys, which nail you at the checkout. So what are you waiting for? Get your ASICs today. Link is in the description, and code RABID will grant $50 off every individual item.